Hi, Tom Varsy, Military Embedded Systems. I'm at AUVSI Exponential in Houston. I'm at the RTI booth, and I'm with John Breitbach. How are you, John?
I'm doing great, Tom. How are you doing?
Doing great. So John was just telling me about the maritime unmanned vehicles that RTI has a lot of software. A lot of your software products are in those vehicles. Tell me about it.
Yeah, so we're in a number of different autonomous vehicles, both surface vehicles as well as underwater vehicles, both for commercial and for defense markets. We've had autonomous ships running our software that have sailed to Australia and back autonomously. Here at the AUVSI show, we're here in support of some emerging autonomy standards. In particular, there's one coming out of the U.S. Navy with AUVSI's sponsorship called UMA, the Unmanned Maritime Autonomy Architecture. Some of the folks that have built UMA-based vessels are giving some talks here. We gave a talk yesterday about how to design these systems faster using our new AI-based tools. And yeah, autonomy is always a busy thing in the spring for a lot of trade shows, and we have some folks here that were down at Soft Week in Tampa last week, and we're pleased to report that a number of our number of vessels running our software were actually out in the water doing live exercises. So it's always fun to see it, out in the real world and get to see the actual vessels up close.
People were talking about that, about all the vehicles that RTI had the software in, and made a big splash at the show.
Yeah, we did. And actually last year at AUVSI, it was in San Diego, and some of our larger ships that are running our software, and we're in the harbor out there. So we've seen, like I said, very large size ocean-going vessels, as well as some of the smaller ones that are really more geared towards patrolling the littorals and things like that, but all running our software. Our software scales up and down to both the large scale as well as the small vessels.
Oh, that's awesome. Well, RTI is the leader in it. And John, how can people get more information?
Yeah, so if you visit our website, rti.com, there you can find out all the different markets that our software supports, both on the defense side as well as the commercial side. You can learn about our latest product offerings, like our new Connect AI that helps you develop these autonomous systems more quickly.
All right. Thanks, John.
Thanks, Tom.